Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make a simple but highly nutritious health drink for people of all ages, 3 years and above. So earlier I had shown on my channel how to make this drink from scratch. Recently somebody recommended this and I saw this multi-millet mix and I tried it out. It is very good. So for those of you who are unable to make it at home due to lack of time or any other problem, you don't get the ingredients, you can use this. I'll show you how to make it. It comes in a very good self-seal pack. I like that. And once you open the pack, you get a lovely aroma also. So for this, you have to take this is a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of this multi-millet mix in a bowl. To this, I am adding 50 ml. This is a 100 ml glass, a 50 ml of water, and mix it together till there are no lumps at all in it. Now take 100 ml of water in a pan and bring it to boil. While it is boiling, let me tell you something more about this. It is made of 23 natural ingredients and it is healthy, tasty, homemade. No artificial preservatives are added to it and it does not have any added sugar also. So it is good even for diabetics. It has got many grains, millets. So it is full of protein, fiber and iron. Many other ingredients, 23 ingredients like jowar, barnyard millet, kodo millet, ragi, pearl millet, many other things. And apart from that, they have also included some almonds, pistas and cashew and dried ginger, cardamom powder, so the flavor is also good. See, the water has now come to a boil. Now reduce the flame and add this dissolved powder to it, absolutely no lumps. Now continue stirring it over a medium flame for 5 to 7 minutes. Keep stirring it and you will find that it is getting thickened. Do it over a medium flame only then all the ingredients will get cooked well and you can enjoy the complete nutritional benefits from this. See, now it has thickened well and started boiling also again. At this stage, you can switch it off. We can prepare this in 2 ways. Either you can serve it as a porridge with the addition of milk and sugar, or in the case of diabetics and those who want to avoid sugar, allow it to cool down very well and then add buttermilk and salt to it. That also tastes very good. So let me just make it into 2 parts. The porridge has cooled. I have taken it in 2 parts. To 1 part I am adding some boiled milk. Add some sugar. If you don't want to add white sugar, you can add palm sugar also and mix it very well. Your health drink is ready. Now this I told you, for those who don't want to add milk and sugar, you can also use buttermilk. I have some buttermilk here. I am adding some buttermilk to this and mix this also very well. You can add a pinch of salt to the one with buttermilk. Mix this also very well. So your healthy, tasty, nutritious drink is ready. Let us pour it out into the glasses. So here we have the health drink with milk and sugar, and here I have added buttermilk and salt. You can adjust the thickness of it by adding more or less of milk and buttermilk, or you can have it as a porridge. Just keep it in a bowl and take it to the spoon with a little thicker consistency also. That is left to you. All the details I will provide in the description box, the contact numbers from where you can purchase, and also the Facebook page of this particular product. It is called as Gowtham Multi-Millet Mix. Store it in an airtight container and refrigerate it. They say it can be used for 3 months. Even you can keep it outside also, but make sure that it is airtight. Don't use any wet spoon in it. So this is much better than any other commercial beverage where they might add some other synthetic preservatives. Here everything is natural homemade product. And to try out this recipe, I think it costs 300 rupees for this is a 480 gram pack, and the cost is 300 rupees. So any other questions you have, please contact the telephone number which I give in my description box. Thank you for watching the video, and please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and come back to Geeta's Kitchen for more such interesting recipes. Thank you.